Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Here we are in the shop again. Or still. I live out here. It is what it is. Today we've got this pressure washer that doesn't pressure. Runs, apparently. I don't know, just got dropped off today. I see it's hemorrhaging oil everywhere. Usually it's a pump or a sheared key for the pump that makes them not pressure. So let's jump in, see what happens. Okay, these machines are relatively simple. There's like 3 bolts that hold the pump from the bottom. It also holds the engine to the chassis. So let's cut those 3 bolts out. I'm gonna get a rag out here and clean up all this oil. It's everywhere. So let's, well, that's not gonna fit. Let's get the bolts out of here. One nut for the bolt. I think you can get to 2 of them pretty easy. The 3rd one's a pain. This one's not terrible either. And I'll have to use a ratchet on the other one because the little gun won't fit up in there. And it's on an angle, so can't get to it. These pumps have become quite pricey. Wasn't even tight. Probably could have got that out with my fingers. They used to be a couple $100 or something. Them's Canadian dollars, a couple $100. I don't even know what they're at now. Oh, pump's coming down. See? Look at the oil. Slide pump out, let's have a look. Ooh, oh. Wow. Actually broke the pump. Key is broken, pump is broken. Let's see if we got some light there and I can get you a little bit of vision. You can see there, that's where the keyway goes down. The pump is actually shattered apart. It's full of oil. Ooh, jeez, almost dripped it all over my computer. Ew. I don't want to dump that out and see what falls out of there. I'm not feeling a key. I'm feeling lots of parts, like particles. What's on the crankshaft? Just a slot for a key. Well, let's tip it back, see what's happening here. I don't know if that's pump oil or if that's engine oil. Because the crank seal's right there. Well, let's just get this out. Tip it like this. Have a look-see. What do we got? Wow. Huh. I think the key migrated out of that pump and tore the bottom seal out of the crankshaft. There it is. It's like a machined circle. Eesh. The seal's definitely no good. The crankshaft's got damage on it. You know what? I don't know if it's gonna be worth saving this thing. Yeah, that's the bottom of the crankshaft seal is gone. Well, it's not, I shouldn't say gone, because there is oil in the engine. I did check it between the intro and the second part here. There is oil in it. There's definitely a leaker. Doesn't smell like engine oil. It smells like pump oil. Pick some of that brokenness out of there, out of the keyway slot. Oh, it's just goop. It's just aluminum powder from the crankshaft spinning in the pump without a key in it. Aluminum piece here. Uh-oh. Well, I better call the customer. This thing needs a pump. Better price a pump. Call him up. See what he thinks. This may be the end of this one. Well, it's a little while later. I did end up calling the customer, priced out a new pump, new seal, a little bit of labor. Told him what it was going to be, and he said, hell no. Yeah, sometimes it's just not worth fixing them. It costs too much money. You can get a pressure washer on sale for less money than it costs for a pump sometimes. Like, it's the way it is. So I just want to jump on here and close that video out, because I got another video to record right now. Thanks for joining me, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If you do subscribe, give that bell a dingle. It'll let you know when I upload new stuff. Till the next one, take care.